Hello, welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you visit me often. Today I have for you a new unboxing. Per my usual, I don't know how much it costs. I will put it on the screen. I don't know if I can show you this without showing my address. I can try. I don't know if you can see. It's a Thrift A Bag. So what this is it's supposed to be a subscription service where you get, I believe, 3 bags, and they're supposed to be high-end purses or bags or satchels or things of that nature that are gently used, that have been thrifted. So I'm going to dig into this and see if I feel like it's worth it for me. So when you first go on to get this box or bag, well, I mean, it's in a box, but when you go on and sign up for this subscription, it does ask you a few questions, so I filled that out. I don't remember the questions. The main question that I do remember is, it said something like, what do you like in a handbag or something like that. And I did explain that I was a Michael Kors and a Betsy Johnson purse collector. So let's see what is in here. Okay, so I open it up and this is what I see. So I'm going to pull this out to see what this says. So it comes with, I guess, your order. It tells you what is in here, and it tells you what the value of the stuff is. And it comes with a gift bag just in case I don't like one of these bags, then I can always gift it to somebody. So that is kind of cool, although it looks like the largest purse will not fit in this bag if I don't like the largest purse. But let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing I am pulling out is a white purse from 9 West, and it is nicely wrapped in completely sealed bubble wrap. It says 9 West Dilo Jet Set large shoulder bag, and the retail value is $35. Okay, so it looks brand new. I am not seeing any flaws or anything on the outside, and I do like this quilted pattern. I've never owned a 9 West purse. It does have a tag still connected, so I don't know if someone just thrifted this bag because they decided they didn't want it. It has this cute little tassel going on, and it does have like packaging on the inside of it. And it has a shoulder strap with these chain-like items. The inside is, I mean, it looks like a nice bag, a nice clean bag. I'm going to have to find another closet in my house for purses because I am running out of room on my purse shelf. As you can see, I started lining up a few of my purses on the floor here. But it feels like a really nice bag, and I don't see any flaws on it at all. It's got 2 big pockets. It's got a side pocket here. It's got a couple of pockets here, and it does have a center pocket. So that's a nice purse. Okay, let's move on. The next thing I am pulling out here is an Ann Taylor Loft croc leather turquoise slim clutch wallet. $20 is the pre-owned value. So again, it comes in the nice bubble wrap, and that is cute. I don't think I own anything in this, in this color of blue in my collection. I do own a couple of blue purses, but nothing like this. And as you can see, it has a pink stitching on it. So that is cute. This doesn't necessarily smell brand new like this purse does, but I mean, it doesn't stink or anything. Okay. And I open it up and I see this. So I will actually never use this. If it was a clutch, I would have, but I don't have a need for a wallet. And this did say it was a slim clutch / wallet. So if it was just a clutch, I could use this, but I have no need for this. I mean, when we go out on date nights, I just carry a small clutch with me, but usually I need a place for my powder, my lipstick. So, I mean, it's still really nice, so I will probably gift this to somebody. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out here, this is interesting. Okay, so the next thing in here is a Betsey Johnson faux fur logo backpack, and the value is $50. I don't have a use for a backpack. It's cute. Well, I guess that's not completely true. When we go to festivals, now, so this isn't in the bubble wrap, it's just in a plastic wrap, and it still has the tag on it. So, it smells like it's been treated though. I can't really place my finger on what the smell is, but you know when you go to a thrift store and clothes have that treated smell, that's kind of what this smells like. But it's not a bad smell, and it's just a faux fur, and it says, it just kind of says Betsey Johnson all over it. So, oh, as I was saying, we do sometimes use backpacks when we go to festivals, so we can carry blankets and stuff like that. So, I mean, it could possibly be used for that. I will keep it. I do like Betsey Johnson bags, so I will keep this. I don't know if there is a way to reach out to customer service to where I can maybe get it more custom to my bag liking, so I don't continue to get things that I'm not going to use. But I don't know. I mean, I do like this purse. I do like this purse. This purse will get used as much as any of my purses get used, which isn't that much, but it'll get used. And I actually, now that I think about it, I have a Betsey Johnson purse that is very similar to this type of purse, except it's more of like a baby pink. So anyway, there's a mental note that I was just making. But I mean, this has pockets on the inside. It has a floral print. It has 2 extra pockets, and then it has the big pocket, and then it does have a pocket on the front. So I am going to try to reach out to customer service just to see if there is a way to better custom fit the bags to me. Uh-oh, I'm having a problem getting this zipped. The faux fur is getting in the way. To see if I can have it better custom fit to me and the type of bags that I actually like. But I mean, I think it's an okay box. I'm not mad at it. I mean, I'm not like 100% like all in, like, yeah, this is a box for me, but I'm not mad at it. So let me try to reach out to customer service, and I will see if it can be a little more tailored to my liking, and I will be gifting this to somebody. It may go in a giveaway. I might just gift it to someone that is close to me. I don't know. I don't think I really have anybody that has this sort of a taste, so it may go in a giveaway. with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing now that my area here is a total disaster. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.